A few months ago, I did something I should have done a lot earlier. I sat down and tracked how I actually spent my time for one full week. Meetings, taking notes the whole time, then typing them all up after. Hours reading through documents to find the bits I actually needed. Rewriting the same emails over and over. Googling things and clicking through 5 links to find one answer. When I added it all up, it was close to 12 hours a week. 12 hours of work that didn't move anything forward. Just admin, just busy work. Then I started replacing all of it with AI tools. In this video, 5 tools. Most are completely free. All of them I use personally every single week. Together they give me back about 10 hours. Let's go. Tool number 1. Fireflies. Here's the problem it solves. Most people try to do 3 things at once in a meeting. Listen, contribute, and take notes. Nobody does all 3 well. Fireflies removes note-taking from that list entirely. It joins your call, Zoom, Teams, Google Meet automatically. Records everything. Transcribes it in real time, and when the meeting ends, sends you a clean summary. Action items, key decisions, who said what, done. You just show up and actually be in the conversation. And there's a feature called Ask Fred. You can literally chat with your meeting history. What did we decide about the budget? It finds it instantly. 2 to 3 hours a week back immediately. Free plan at fireflies.ai, link in the description. Tool number 2, Gamma. And this one is going to make every person who has ever made a PowerPoint feel something. Everyone has been there. You've got a presentation due, you open PowerPoint, you stare at a blank white rectangle. 20 minutes picking a template, 20 minutes on fonts, an hour trying to make images line up properly. 2 hours later, it still looks mediocre. That is a solved problem now. The tool that solved it is called Gamma. Here's what you do. Go to gamma.app, click New, type 1 sentence, your topic, click Generate. 60 seconds later, you have a complete designed, professional looking presentation. Title slide, structured sections, relevant images, consistent theme throughout the presentation. Ready to present or share as a link. 60 seconds. But it gets better. You don't have to start from scratch. Paste in notes you already wrote. Gamma turns them into slides. Upload the PDF or a Word document. Gamma restructures it into a presentation. Paste the URL. It builds a deck from that web page. And once the first version is generated, you edit what you want. Change the whole theme in one click. Ask the AI to rewrite a specific slide. Add your own images. Swap out text. 5 minutes from AI to something fully yours. And it's not just presentations. You can make a document, a formatted report or proposal. You can make a web page, publish it as a live link and share it with anyone. You can make a social media post, structured, designed, ready to go. One tool, way more than just slides. Free plan gives you 400 credits. That's about 10 full decks to test it properly. Then $8 a month to go unlimited. Gamma.app, link in the description. Tool number 3, Perplexity. One line, it's Google, but it actually answers your questions. The problem with Google is it tells you where to look. You type a question, 10 links, click through, skim the ads, scroll, 5 to 10 minutes for one simple question. Perplexity just answers it. Plain English, sources listed underneath. Done. Facts, background on a topic, comparing products, recent news, it handles all of it. Free plan, unlimited searches, real sources, no ads. Perplexity AI, link in the description. Tool number 4, Wispr Flow. And this one is where the time savings really accelerate. The average person types at 40 words per minute. The average person speaks at 130 words per minute. That's 3 times faster across every email, every message, every document you write. That gap is costing you hours every week. Wispr Flow runs in the background on your computer. Press a hotkey, speak naturally, and clean, polished text appears wherever your cursor is. In Gmail, in Slack, in Notion, in Google Docs, typing a prompt into ChatGPT or Claude, anywhere on your computer. Watch this. I'm going to dictate an email right now. Notice, no ums, no run-on sentences, grammar is clean, paragraphs are formatted. The AI fixed all of that automatically. There's also a snippets feature. You create voice shortcuts. Say, my email, it types your full email address. Say, meeting link, it pastes your Zoom link. Massive time saver for anything you type repeatedly. Free 2-week trial at wisprflow.ai, $10-12 a month. I use this every single day. It's one of the first things I would pay for. Tool number 5, and this one is actually 2 features in one. First, memory, and this one is free. Right now, every time you open ChatGPT, it knows nothing about you. You're starting from zero every single time. Memory fixes this in 2 minutes. Go to settings, click personalization, turn on memory, then tell ChatGPT who you are. From that point on, every conversation starts with ChatGPT already knowing you. No more explaining yourself, no more repeating yourself. Now, the second feature, and this one genuinely surprised me. ChatGPT Tasks. ChatGPT can now schedule itself to do things automatically, even when you're not online. You tell it what you want in plain English and it runs on autopilot. Every morning at 7 a.m. send me a briefing on AI news. Every Sunday evening remind me to plan my week. 3 days before my mom's birthday, send me a reminder. ChatGPT runs the task, sends you a notification even if you're asleep. This is what it means when people say AI is becoming a real personal assistant. Not a chatbot you talk to when you remember to. An assistant that shows up on its own. Memory is free on all plans. Tasks requires ChatGPT Plus at $20 a month. 5 tools. If you're only going to try one, which one? Meetings, taking over fireflies. Presentations, killing your time, use Gamma. Googling things forever, you can try Perplexity. Writing emails all day, use Wispr Flow. Getting generic AI answers, ChatGPT Memory. If I had to pick just one right now, I would say Wispr Flow. Because typing is something you do all day, every day. The moment you start speaking instead, you immediately feel the difference. But honestly, try the free ones first. Fireflies, Gamma, Perplexity, and ChatGPT Memory. All free to start. Get those running, then decide if you want to pay for more. All the links are in the description and the pinned comment. If this was useful, subscribe. This is exactly the kind of video I make every single day. Drop a comment, which one are you trying first? See you in the next one.